Today's video is going to be about this new Janet Collection wig glue that's popping off this coming July. This is the Esha luxury wig application, and this is the Absolute. So the Absolute is for wig enthusiasts who love to wear their wigs. You can wear your wig, it says, for a week or more. So you definitely can wear your wig for a couple of weeks if you want to leave it on. It's supposed to withstand heat, humidity, water. And for today, we're going to do the Esha Firm, which is for people like myself who are still wig enthusiasts, but I don't really want to sleep with my wig on all the time. However, this is also for people who like to protect their edges, and you guys know that I'm trying to grow back my edges. So it looks just like white glue. Allow it to dry for 30 seconds, it says. For one, it does dry really quick, which is good because you don't even have to use a blow dryer, especially if you don't have one. So this is a plus, that it dries super fast, which is amazing. 30 seconds and it really did dry. It got, you guys see the glue just kind of like vanishes. I put the ponytail in so that way you guys can see that the glue can allow you to pull your hair up in a bun or a ponytail, especially during the heat. So it does hold firmly. It is a little messy, just like any glue is, so you definitely want to take your time while doing it. I had the wig on for like about 10 hours and it's actually really stuck. So it is time to take it off, which I am going to do now. So this glue is like really easy to peel off. Also, like when I put like regular glue in, well, not regular glue, but if I use like the Ghost Bond, it's so stuck in my hair or anywhere that it gets on my hair, it's so hard to come out. So this just like peels right off, which is great.